how much should you actually spend on a thermal Carafe coffee maker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cuisinart DCC 3400 NAS. Cuisinart's 12-cup programmable Perfect Temp coffee maker caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and a price tag of $119.95. If you want perfectly brewed coffee that stays hot, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this Cuisinart model is a solid choice. The brew strength control allows you to customize your coffee strength, whether you like it regular or bold. Plus, it brews hotter coffee thanks to its expert technology, ensuring flavors are rich and satisfying. With over 11,000 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear many people appreciate this machine. However, some users mention that the Carafe can be tricky to pour without spilling. Here's the thing though, if you're careful when pouring, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This machine is perfect for those who love a hot, flavorful cup of coffee without fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a programmable coffee maker that delivers on flavor and temperature. Skip this one if you prefer a single-serve machine or if you're looking for something under $100. Considering its features, it's a great value for the money. Now, if Cuisinart's price point caught you off guard, the next one might fit your budget better while still delivering great taste. Product number 2, Mr. Coffee 10-Cup. Next up is the Mr. Coffee 10-Cup programmable coffee maker, coming in at $75.99. What drew me in was its ability to brew coffee 20% faster. Who doesn't want their coffee quickly? If you want a solid coffee maker that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. This model excels with its double-walled thermal carafe that keeps your coffee hot for hours. The strong brew selector even allows you to brew a bolder cup with just a button press. What's cool is the freshness timer, which lets you know how fresh your coffee is after it brews. With a 4.2-star rating from 3,100 reviews, it's clear it's making coffee lovers happy. But here's the catch. Some users have complained about the lid not sealing properly, leading to spills. I'll be real with you, if you're super careful when pouring, it's manageable. This coffee maker is perfect for those who want a reliable machine with programmable features without spending too much. This is ideal for you if you like a quick brew and appreciate a bold cup. Skip it if you prefer a larger capacity or are looking for a premium option. Considering its price and features, it's a great value for anyone who loves their coffee. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for speed lovers. Product number 3, BUNN BT Speed Brew. Up next is the BUNN BT Speed Brew, priced at $175. This one really stands out with its promise to brew a full carafe in just 4 minutes. If you're always in a hurry but love your coffee, this could be the one for you. The BUNN Speed Brew features a commercial-grade stainless steel hot water tank, keeping 70 Oz of water hot for quick brewing. It also has a unique multi-stream spray head that evenly saturates coffee grounds, maximizing flavor extraction. Plus, its vacuum-insulated carafe keeps coffee hot for over 2 hours. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 5,000 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among coffee aficionados. However, a few users mentioned that it can be quite loud during brewing. Here's the thing, if you're brewing in the morning, you might not even notice once that delicious coffee aroma fills the air. This option is perfect for those who need coffee quickly and enjoy a cafe-style brew at home. This is great for busy people who want a fast cup without compromising taste. Skip this if you prefer a quieter brewing experience or if you don't need a large capacity. Considering how quickly it brews, it definitely offers great value. Now, if speed is a priority for you, our next contender takes coffee versatility to a whole new level. Product number 4, Ninja CP307. Check out the Shark Ninja CP307 hot and cold brewed system, priced at $229.99. This isn't just a coffee maker, it also brews tea. If you're looking for versatility, this one's definitely worth considering. What makes this Ninja special is its ability to brew cold coffee or tea, perfect for those hot days. With 6 different brew sizes and 5 brew styles, you can customize your drink to your liking, whether it's a classic cup or a cold brew. The double-walled thermal carafe keeps your drinks hot for up to 2 hours, making it ideal for sharing. Plus, the fold-away frother lets you create cafe-style drinks at home. With a 4.4-star rating from 8,500 reviews, people seem to really love this system. On the downside, some users found it a bit complex to operate with all its features. Honestly, if you just want a simple cup of coffee, this might feel overwhelming. This machine is perfect for adventurous coffee drinkers and tea lovers who want to explore different brewing methods. This is perfect for you if you want multiple brewing options and enjoy both coffee and tea. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward coffee maker. Given its features, it's a bit pricier, but worth it for the versatility. And finally, if you're looking for precision brewing, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, OXO Brew 8 Cup. Last but not least is the OXO Brew 8 Cup coffee maker, priced at $219.95. I was drawn to its Gold Cup certification, which means it meets high standards for coffee brewing. If you value precision in your coffee, you might want to consider this one. The OXO features a unique rainmaker shower head that evenly saturates coffee grounds for better extraction. It also has a double-wall vacuum-insulated carafe that keeps coffee hot and flavorful for hours. Plus, it has a convenient cleaning mode to keep your machine in top shape. With a 4-star rating from 4,800 reviews, this one has a solid following. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit pricey for an 8-cup capacity. Here's the thing, if you prioritize quality and precision in your brewing, the investment might be worth it. This coffee maker is perfect for those who take their coffee seriously and want to ensure a perfect brew every time. This is great for coffee enthusiasts looking for a high-quality coffee maker. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or need a larger capacity. Given its features, it's a worthwhile investment for serious coffee lovers. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Cuisinart DCC 3400 NUS for programmable convenience, the Mr. Coffee for value and speed, the BUNN for quick brewing, the Ninja for versatility, and the OXO for precision brewing. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you when making your choice. Happy brewing!